The broad grammatical construction is important here. The country's manufacturing industry is suffering as a result of A, which is a noun, skill gaps, comma B, which is again a noun, workforce shortages, comma, as well as C, A, B, and C is the right usage. A, B, as well as C is not the correct usage, and it changes the meaning. The meaning is that A, B, and C together are the cause. So answer choices which use as well as should be eliminated. A and D must go. Then answer choice C uses a but here. There is no sense of contrast here, and therefore a but is unwarranted. It's between B and E now. Two problems with choice B. One, that it has a passive wordy construction here, and the chilling effect of environmental regulations that are highly restrictive. Just the placement of highly restrictive before environmental regulations will make it active as well as concise. And then the second problem is, you see effect is singular here, whereas all the terms in the list are plural. Skill gaps, workforce shortages. So something like effects is going to be better. Choice B should be eliminated. Let's confirm choice E now. As per leading economists, the country's manufacturing industry is suffering as a result of skill gaps, that is one noun, workforce shortages, that is the second noun, and the right conjunction here, the chilling effects. Effects is the noun here, effects of something active, highly restrictive environmental regulations. E is the best of the 5 answer choices and by some serious distance.